What's up, guys? Isn't that what all you YouTubers say? What up, guys? What up, guys? What up? Can anybody think of anything else to say when they're entering a YouTube video? Come on. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? You know, there's girls out there too, right? What's up, girls? What's up with the girls? Can you say what's up, girls? Anyway, today we're gonna be doing a iPhone 13 Pro unboxing video. Hey, it's Halloween. Come on, let's get in the spirit. Look at my hand. Ow, come on.
All right, it's October, and you know what that means. The new iPhones are in. Well, they're a little back ordered, so a little slow this year, but I just got mine, so I figured I'd do an unboxing video. But this is my roommate Enzo, and you know what? I just ran to the bathroom. I came back, he was laying on the ground, my camera was moved, so if he was uploading to my YouTube channel without me knowing, you guys need to tell me, because I don't really trust this guy. I'll cut you, man. Unboxing video. I've never done one of those. Let's see. Look at that. Ooh, there we go. That's with some foam. All right, buddy? Jeez. Put yourself together, man. Hey, it's okay. Yeesh. A piece of paper that's whatever. Wow. It's like a brick. I'm afraid to, I always think about that kid who walked out of this store that one year. He's like, yeah, my new iPhone. Splat, hits the ground. All right, how do I open this thing? A little green tab here. I guess I'm supposed to rip the tab on the top, rip the tab on the bottom. Oh, there it is. Didn't splat out and fall on the floor. They did reduce the packaging, huh? You know what they give you? Some nice earbud. No, they don't give you earbuds anymore. All they give you is part of a charging cord. They don't even give you the plug for the end.
What's the big idea?
Price is high enough. They should cover it, but you know, that's Apple. We still continue to buy their products, so whatever. The stickers, in case you want to stick Apple stickers on something, like, yes, half a cord, no charge cord, no earbuds. So you have to go buy those. Here's my bad little boy. I have an 11 Pro going to a 13 Pro. How do we, well, I'm so scared to hold this thing. That's why you need a case. Make sure you have a case. So before I do anything, I'm going to put my case on. I think there's no other stickers on this. Let's see. Snap that bad boy right in there. Come on. Come on, you'll get there. There we go. Now I feel a little more confident. It does feel a little different than the other one by comparison. I mean, they look the same. They're like almost identical, but I'm sure you've seen enough other unboxing videos to tell the difference. But now let's get into it. All right, now for the good part. This is what you've all been waiting for, right? After you've taken your old phone, shut off your Apple, wiped it, take the SIM card out, make sure you get the screen, you're ready to trade it in, sell it, whatever. Make sure your new phone works, log into everything, make sure all of your stuff is working. Then you get to play with the new camera that everybody talks about and the new screen. Yeah, it's great. It does have better sound too, for those of you that don't know that. A lot of people talk about that. There's a lot of great features. I'm not going to get into it, actually. You guys really thought I was some expert on this stuff? This is why you're watching. You think me, I'm an idiot. You think I am an expert on iPhone and you're watching me do an unboxing video.
What's the matter with you?
I should have let him do the whole damn thing. You know that? It probably would be more entertaining. At least it would be entertaining. Don't watch all this stuff. Learn, go out, live your life, do something else. Go to a Halloween party with this guy. Actually, there. Go to Halloween parties, take pictures and videos, post in the links below. Tell me what you've been doing. Let me see some cool stuff. Live your life. Buy Apple stock. There you go. Go out and buy Apple stock. You can even buy fractional shares. If you don't know much about stock, buy fractional shares. That way you'll get some of the money back you're spending on all these toys. Because we drank the Kool-Aid. You're watching this because you either have one, want one, bought one, have one on the way, it's not there yet. You're trying to get some information on the phone before you get it. Ooh, you're all excited to open the thing up and watch all these unboxing videos. Go live your life.
Happy Halloween!
I'm not a professional unboxer person, whatever you call that. That was a weird term to say. I don't know. But have fun. Go live your life.
So you really turned in to watch this idiot do an unboxing video? He's my roommate. He has no idea about iPhone. Why would you listen to this guy? Jeez. Come on, guys. You're worse than he is. These actors are egomaniacs, but they have no friends and no life. Oh, come on. Take that phone, that new phone you got. Call a friend and go hang out and do something. Don't be like this guy. Sit around making unboxing videos about the crap he doesn't even know anything about. Come on, don't listen to this guy. He's an idiot. Have fun. Peace out. Happy Halloween. You really tuned in to watch my idiot roommate do this?
God damn it. Why does it keep falling?